Well, firstly, with Liquidnet, I think you have to look at who are the constituents that make up our community. They are the large institutional investors. They are the fundamental investors of stocks and shares. When you're trading in Liquidnet, you can be certain that you are trading against another buy-side part of your peer group. So that's someone who's going to be looking to try and get the same results as you, i.e. try to limit their market impact, trying to reduce their trading cost, and trying to find size and liquidity and institutional size. So that's a starting point for us. Secondly, we hold very high standards and very high protocols and expectations of our members. So when they're admitted to Liquidnet, these are made very clear. We monitor them very closely. We obviously, if they're falling short, we provide feedback, have regular conversations, and frankly, if we feel that someone's actually harming the integrity of the community and not holding up to the standards that have frankly been set by our members, we'll first of all, of course, we'll try to work with them. But if they're harming the community, ultimately we'll ask them to leave, because the power of Liquidnet and the benefit of Liquidnet is really as good as the performance of the members themselves. So that's a starting point. Outside of that, we do have various bits of technology that do monitor member behaviour. We obviously have huge amounts of data that look at what people are doing, when they're doing it, and how they're doing it. We also go back and if people do have concerns, we will investigate them thoroughly. We'll talk to the individuals, and you know, we have kicked certain traders off and certain firms off, but you know, that's the last resort for us. But I mean, for us, the bigger thing that we can do is promote the integrity of the pool and the purity of the liquidity. And given the constituents and what we know, and frankly, the community itself is pretty harsh on itself. We're quite comfortable and very positive that the source and power of the liquidity that we have is pretty much in its purest sense.